Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use Uniswap with Metamask. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Uniswap, and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. Then let's see what we have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we had Uniswap, Trade, Explore, and Pool. In the top right corner, on the other hand, we have the moment where you can go and connect your wallet. If you don't know how to do that, you can always, guys, go to our YouTube channel where we have a video on this, and you can go and check out how you can do it. In the top corner, we have search tokens and swap anytime, anywhere. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Uniswap with Metamask. So first of all, if you haven't already, you need to download and install Metamask on your browser. Then in the top right corner, you need to go and click on connect. So I'll be showing you that now. I'm just going to disconnect my wallet. So click on connect. Here we have Metamask. Click on it. Then you just need to wait a few seconds. Click here and you'll have it connected. Now, how you can actually go and use it? Well, just click on the top right corner extensions, click Metamask, and here you can go and do whatever you want with the actual extension. And of course, when you go and buy some tokens here, they will, of course, the Metamask will open then, and you can go and use it also there. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.